Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to extend Salesforce with AppExchange. This is a powerful way to add new functionality to your Salesforce org without building everything from scratch, whether you need dashboards, integrations, or specialized tools for your team. First, log into your Salesforce web org. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is your setup menu where all configuration happens. In the quick find box that appears on the left side, type AppExchange Marketplace. This search function makes it easy to navigate Salesforce's extensive settings. When the option appears, select AppExchange Marketplace, then click Go to AppExchange. This takes you to Salesforce's App Store, where thousands of apps are available. Now it's time to find the app you need. Use the search bar to look for an app. For example, you might search for Salesforce Adoption Dashboards. Once you find it, click the app listing to open its detail page where you can review features, pricing, and reviews. When you're ready, click Get It Now. This starts the installation process. Next, you'll need to confirm which org you want to install into from your connected Salesforce accounts. Select your production org username. It's important to choose carefully here because you're about to add new functionality to your live environment. Click Install in Production to proceed. You'll see a confirmation screen where you need to verify the username is correct. Check the box that says I agree to the terms and conditions, then click Confirm and Install. If prompted, log in with your Salesforce credentials to authenticate. Now we move to the actual installation. You'll see three options for who can access the app. Select Install for admins only. This is the safest choice for testing because it limits access until you're ready to roll it out. Click Install and be patient. This process can take a few minutes as Salesforce configures everything. Once it completes, click Done. This takes you to the installed packages page in Setup. Finally, let's verify everything worked. In Setup, type Installed Packages in the Quick Find box and select it. Your new app should appear in the list, confirming it's ready to use. To actually access the app, click the App Launcher. That's the waffle icon in the top left. Then search for your app name. Click it to open and start using your new functionality. And that's it. You've successfully extended Salesforce with a new app from AppExchange, giving your org powerful new capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.